Seminole State Campbell Biology Final Exam Newest 2026-2027 Actual Exam with complete questions and correct detailed answers. Question 1. PG1. Seminole State Campbell Biology Final Exam Newest 2026 to 2027 Actual Exam with complete questions and correct detailed answers, verified answers, already graded A+. Which of these is a difference between a DNA and an RNA molecule? DNA is usually double-stranded, whereas RNA is usually single-stranded. DNA is usually double-stranded, whereas RNA is usually single-stranded. Question 2. The head part of a lipid is referred as a phospholipid. Phospholipid. Question 3. The extraordinary part of a phospholipid is that the head is hydrophilic, while the tail is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic. Question 4. Phosphopholids are meaning both hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Amphipathic. Amphipathic. Question 5. What is likely of this molecule? Look at answer choice image. It will be liquid at room temperature. It will be liquid at room temperature. Question 6. Bonds that stabilize the tertiary protein structure are formed between the R groups of the amino acids. R groups of the amino acids. Question 7. PG2. Which structure is not part of the endomembrane system? Chloroplast. Chloroplast. Question 8. Which of the following is present in a prokaryotic cell? I do not control quizlet answers, but try to answer reasonably. Ribosome. Ribosome. Question 9. What is the more likely pathway taken by a newly synthesized protein that will be secreted by a cell? A Golgi vesicles that fuse with plasma membrane. A Golgi vesicles that fuse with plasma membrane. Question 10. The ER functions in diverse metabolic processes, which vary in cell type. Smooth. Smooth. Question 11. The ER has ribosomes attached which produces proteins. Rough. Rough. Question 12. Intracellular junctions in plant cells have plasmidesmata. Plasmidesmata. Question 13. Intracellular junctions in animal cells are tight junctions, desmosomes, and gap junctions. Tight junctions, desmosomes, and gap junctions. Question 14. PG3. What kinds of molecules pass through a cell membrane most easily? Small and hydrophobic. Small and hydrophobic. Question 15. Which of the following allows water to move much faster across cell membranes? Aquaporins. Aquaporins. Question 16. How can a lipid be distinguished from a sugar? Lipids are mostly nonpolar. Lipids are mostly nonpolar. Question 17. Is a type of diffusion. Osmosis. Osmosis. Question 18. Which of the following particles could diffuse easily through a cell membrane? Oxygen, O2. Oxygen, O2. Question 19. If a red blood cell is placed in a salt solution and bursts, what is the tonicity of the solution relative to the interior of the cell? Hypotonic. Hypotonic. Question 20. Facilitated diffusion is a type of passive transport. Passive transport. Question 21. What name is given to the process by which water crosses a selectively permeable membrane? Osmosis. Osmosis.